Okay, armed with this, I'm going to ask, armed with this concept of modulo, I'm going to ask what a Googol equals what modulo 7. 10 to the power 100. Of course you could write it out like that, and divide by 7, but you'd be here all week. So let's see if we can think of some cleverer way to do it. 10 to the 100. Well, 10 equals 3 modulo 7. So Googol equals 3 to the power 100. Okay? Well, what's 3 squared? Well, that's 9, of course, but that's equal to 2 modulo 7. Everything now is modulo 7. So 3 squared is equal to 2. What about 3 to the power 4? Well, that's just 2 times 2, which is 4 modulo 7. Well, what about this then? 3 to the power 6 equals 3 squared times 3 to the 4 equals 2 times 4 from this one and this one equals 8. Aha! That equals 1. Observe that we're trying to get 3 to the power 100 here, and I've got 3 to the power 6, which is equal to 1. Observe, I don't care what the real value of 3 to the power 6 is. It doesn't matter, because that's how often I've gone around the clock, and I don't care, I just care where I end up. It's equal to 1. So 3 to the power 12 equals 3 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 6 equals 1 times 1. And in general, 3 to the power 6n equals 1 for any n. Okay, well that's nice. Now I want 3 to the power 100. So I'm going to write it as 3 to the power 96 plus 4, which is equal to 3 to the power 3 to the power 96 is 6 times 16 plus 4 equals 3 to the power 6 to the power 16 times 3 to the power 4. See, I'm using the properties of powers over and over again. Equals 1 to the power 16 times 3 to the 4 equals 3 to the power 4. So where did we start? Here's a Googol, no, there's a Googol, but modulo 7, I'm using the fact that 10 equals 3. So Googol equals 3 to the power 100, which is this, and all the powers of 3 to the power 6 all disappear, because 3 to the power 6 here equals 1. So the only thing that's left is 3 to the power 4. And we've done that one already, I think. Here it is. 4. Everything is modulo 7. So a Googol equals 4 modulo 7. How about that? I'm going to stop there.